Introduction. As we know, the aorta has two parts, thoracic aorta and abdominal aorta. The thoracic part of the aorta is known as thoracic aorta, and the abdominal part of aorta is known as abdominal aorta. These are the two parts of the posterior aorta or descending aorta. The abdominal aorta extends from hiatus aorticus and terminates below fifth or sixth lumbar vertebrae by dividing into two external and two internal iliac arteries. These two external and internal iliac arteries are the terminal branches of abdominal aorta, and the abdominal aorta, after giving terminal branches, it continues as a median sacral artery. The branches of abdominal aorta supplies to the different structures like the abdominal wall, the organs that are present in the abdominal cavity, the spinal cord, the pelvic cavity, and the organs that are present in the pelvic cavity. Mostly it is the internal iliac artery which supplies to these organs, and the external iliac artery, which is the terminal branch of abdominal aorta, supplies to the hind limbs. So there are about 6 collateral branches which arise from the abdominal aorta. First one is the celiac artery, second is anterior mesenteric artery, then renal arteries, lumbar arteries, internal supramesenteric arteries, and posterior mesenteric arteries. These 6 collateral branches of abdominal aorta, among the 6, 3 are unpaired and 3 are paired. Like renal arteries, right and left renal artery which supplies to the kidneys, the lumbar arteries, they are also paired, and internal supramesenteric artery, and these mostly supply to the visceral organs except the lumbar artery which supplies to the sublumbar region, the lumbar muscles, and the skin. Now the summary of the abdominal aorta. As we know, the branches of abdominal aorta, they are intended to supply the abdominal walls and the organs which are present in the abdominal cavity. Some branches, they supply to the spinal cord and its covering, that is the meninges, the pelvic wall, and the organs that are present in the pelvic cavity, spermatic cord, the testicles, scrotum, and the terminal branches like external iliac arteries which supplies to the hind limbs. So these are some of the references that are used for making this presentation. Thank you.